Hi friends, it's Claire Daly here in Melbourne on a cool afternoon. It's a Sunday afternoon and while the house is quiet, I thought I would do an unboxing video for the pre-order that I received for the September to December mini catalogue. Now this is very exciting because it's the catalogue that's got all of the Christmas products in it, and I know how much we all love our Christmas crafting. So for those of my regular customers, you'll already know that your catalogues are on the way. You can expect them from about mid-August onwards, so keep an eye on the postie. If you don't have a catalogue and you don't have a regular demonstrator, follow the details underneath the video and I'll be happy to send one out to you. And I'll also be showing you some papers today, and just know that I'll be doing my usual paper and ribbon and specialty paper shares for this catalogue. So make sure you subscribe using the details below the video and you'll be able to hear all about those and be the first to know about anything to do with the new catalogue. So thanks for coming along for the ride, and let's get into having a look at the products. Okay, let's get all the goodies out and we will have a look at them one by one. So give me a tick and we'll get these out. I may have already had a peek at some of the papers. So we'll get these out. All right, I'm going to start, I think, with the papers because that's always a good place to start, I think. So I got I actually got 4 of the papers. So the first one I got is the Garden Walk Designer Series paper. This is a 6x6. Now I'll get one of each pattern out. I liked this because, well, I like anything floral, but also I liked the colours. It's a really nice Lost Lagoon. There's some of the wild wheat colours in there. There's some Calypso Coral. It just seemed a little bit different than our colours we've had lately. So there's 8 sheets. There's 8 sheets of 6 of 8 different designs, double-sided designs. So we'll have a look at the moment, make sure I've got them all. At the moment I've only got 6. So let's get the other 2. I know there's one that's got poinsettias. It's this one. And then I think there's one more in here that I've missed. Yep. So I think that's one of each of them now. So 6x6 pack, 8 different patterns, and you get 6 of each pattern. So that's pretty cool. So let's have a look at them. Now this is called the Garden Walks. On the front there's floral designs, and on the back there is coordinating designs like spots and stripes. So that's really good. They can either work together or you can use one by itself. There's a couple of Christmas themed ones. So this one's got poinsettias on it, and this one could be Christmas. I think it's small poinsettias, maybe. But on the back of each of those there's a coordinating colour, so you can see how each of the coordinating patterns picks up a pattern in the floral, which is really nice. We've got this one here. Let's look at, I really like these ones with the Calypso Coral in it. I really like Calypso Coral and I just think they're really sweet. So they've got white, there we go, and this one. Now, if you ever want to know the coordinating colours, Calypso Coral, Garden Green, Mossy Meadow, Poppy Parade, Pretty Peacock and Wild Wheat are the coordinating colours for the Garden Wheat. They're on the back, sorry, the Garden Walk. They're on the back of the papers all of the time. So here's one with the Wild Wheat. I really love that. That is just absolutely beautiful. Stunning, in fact. And then there's this one. Those 2, and then there's this little one, and they're the patterns on the reverse of those. So that's Garden Walk, which is very cute. Now the next one's a Christmas 12x12. This one is called Joy of Christmas, and on the front it has, so you get 2, there's 6 different designs and there's 2 of each. So on the front, this one has got some beautiful Christmas imagery in a sort of watercolor textured look. And then on the back, we've got Pebbled Path, a wood grain look there with Pebbled Path. So that's really beautiful, love that. We have got a gingham. Now, I will just tell you the colours. This is Cherry Cobbler, Old Olive, Pecan Pie, Pebbled Path, Real Red, and Shaded Spruce. So this is a Shaded Spruce gingham on one side. And then we've got the Pebbled Path wood grain. Look at these together, they're just beautiful. I love, oh, sorry, not Pebbled Path, Pecan Pie wood grain. It's that one. And there's another watercolory smaller print. This one, and then on the reverse we've got a music themed paper in the Pebbled Path, and then this one is mostly the leaves, but again that beautiful combination of Shaded Spruce and Old Olive, the two tones of the greens. And then on the back we've got a Cherry Cobbler pattern. Now this could be used for Christmas, or it could just be used for any occasion really. So this is a really versatile paper. The same with a lot of the reverses, even on the ones, the Christmas themed ones. We've got a Cherry Cobbler gingham. This is so beautiful for Christmas. And then on the back of that we've got a music themed paper in Pecan Pie. And then this one here is lots of berries in. So we've got a Cherry Cobbler and white one, and then on the back of that we've got a Shaded Spruce, sort of self-patterned. So that is a lovely paper and very my style, which that was the first thing I had to have in the catalogue, and that one is called Joy of Christmas. So you'll be seeing lots of that. I mean, you could have a really great greeting, and that as your background, simple card, or pick up some of these gorgeous flowers. Yeah, so many things we could do with that. Okay, let's pop those to the side. Another paper, let's have a look at this one first. This one's called Winter Meadow. Now I got this, even though the coordinating bundle for this was quite sort of winter centric, I actually really loved the colours in this. So the colours in this one are Basic Black, Blueberry Bushel, Garden Green, Lost Lagoon, Misty Moonlight, Moody Mauve, Pebbled Path, Pretty Peacock, Shaded Spruce, and Smoky Slate. But it's this Misty Moonlight, Lost Lagoon, and the Moody Mauve that stands out the most for me. Just beautiful colours, and they're very me, so I can see myself using those. So I'll show you again, there's 6 different patterns, double-sided patterns. So you've got your floral imagery, flora imagery on the front, and then on the back you've got a monochrome pattern as well. Gorgeous. Look at these beautiful reindeer. I mean, that could just make 6 quick and easy Christmas cards with those beautiful images in there. Then on the back there you've got, now what colour is that? That one is Pebbled Path, but it's like, it's muted down Pebbled Path actually. That's just so pretty, I really love that. Then we've got those beautiful Moody Mauve berries in there, and you can see some of the Pretty Peacock and the Shaded Spruce. This one's the Blueberry Bushel, Winter Scenery, and very water washed sort of effect. In the back there we've got the Smoky Slate. Look at this, how gorgeous is that? So we've got Blueberry Bushel, we've got some of the greens in there, some Lost Lagoon, and then on the back of that one you've got a Blueberry Bushel patterned. And then this one here looks to me like a Lost Lagoon with a bit of Smoky Slate in it. Again, beautiful Christmas paper. I really love this. It's just gorgeous. And then on the back we've got the Lost Lagoon monochrome. So that one is Winter Meadow. I'm really glad I got that. I would definitely recommend it. It's a beautiful paper for Christmas, even I think for our hemisphere. And the other one I got, paper, is Oh Holy Night. Now I got this paper because I really loved the, what I call the Advent set of dies, and this paper is just going to be perfect to use as the background for those. So let's have a quick look. there's 2 of that one. And again on the back you've got a coordinating monochrome pattern. So there's 2 of that one. There's this one here. So that's copper clay actually. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? Really rich. I love this. So there's also a star themed set that coordinates with this paper. And the ombre with different blues there. And then this one here. Just gorgeous. So while I've got this out, I will show you the die set that coordinates. So here's the stamp set, Night Divine. So I've got joy and peace, the Lord is my shepherd, glory to God in the highest, a holy night, the stars are shining brightly. So some very awesome sentiments there. And then the dies, haven't even opened it yet, but create a perfect Advent scene. So you can just see the dies. We've got your camel and your sheep, some clouds there, sheep, donkey. Then we've got this beautiful scene, and then we've got the beautiful structure as well. So I can see that is going to work really well, and especially the colours that coordinate with this paper. Some really rich colours, pebbled path, copper clay, the blues. They'll work really well. So I thought that was gorgeous. Let's have a look at what else we've got. I'll pop this back in a tick, make a nice mess. So I also really liked these brushed gold cards and envelopes. I'm all for quick and easy, and I can see this was a quick and easy solution. So you get 20 of each, and the cards are just beautiful, and you've got your the brushed gold on the envelope there as well. So you can just use these as the base for your card and then build upon that. So they're great. And then I've got these cute little star embellishments. So they'll work really well with the Advent scene dies, I think. And I might end up getting the stars, other stars bundle, who knows, at some stage. But for now, that's the one I've got. Got another bundle here called Christmas Classics. Now, I really liked this one for sentiments that I would just use on a designer series paper base. Again, quick and easy, or just some really simple sentiments, maybe with some holly or some foliage there. I really liked the font. These are sentiments that I would use: peace on earth, deck the halls, tidings of comfort and joy, season's greetings. And then this die set that goes with it, you've got this beautiful foliage surrounding the square. So a lot of those, these ones would fit in there, and different bits of foliage. Then you've got the ones to cut out the holly and the berries, but then you've got this one here as well, where you get to cut out, you get an additional holly leaves, but this gorgeous greeting as well. And there's the outside layer, but there's also this one here that you can then put a different layer. So you could do this one, say, in, I don't know, pecan pie or anything. And then you could actually use this, have your sentiment, stamp that on there and pop that in the middle. So this season's greeting fits perfectly in there. And I know we'll have other greetings from other sets that'll fit really well in there too. So that one's called Christmas Classics. Looking forward to using that. Now, what else have I got to show you? Oh, this one's good. I'd already taken a peek at this one. These are Deckled circle dies. Now, I mean, I'm excited about the Deckled circle bit by itself, but look how many there are. There's 14 of them. So the graduation that you can get, no matter what you choose, you've got that one slightly bigger that you can use for a contrast. So I think that's amazing value, and I'm all in the, vintagey, scruffy look of creating, and I think some of the papers that I've got will reflect that. So I think these will work really well with lots of things that I'm doing in my Christmas crafting this year. And then the last thing I want to show you for my first pre-order, there'll be more, as we know, is this distressed tiled 3D embossing folder. So you can see the pattern there. It's just gorgeous. So let's have a quick look at that. It's card front size, C6 card front size, not square. So I will be having some fun with that one, definitely. So I hope you've liked to sneak into my oh, hang on, one more thing. Now, I did actually get the coordinating paper for this, the coordinating specialty paper, but unfortunately, for some reason, it didn't make it into the box. So I'll give Stampin' Up a call on Monday, because I know they'll have that fixed for me super quickly. So let's just have a quick look at this ribbon. This ribbon is gorgeous. It's Night of Navy, and it's got gold foiled speckles through it. Look at that beautiful sparkle. So I'll definitely be using that ribbon a lot. Yep, so that's it. That's it on my first pre-order. Let's see what I can do with those, and who knows what else might sneak into my shopping cart next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back again soon. Bye.